Welcome to the channel. I've made it. It's busy. There's another photographer. So the tide is almost in. It's going to be a big tide. So I'm going to get set up and I'll turn you around. Bit of B-roll. I'm going to get set up and get shooting. Welcome back. I've managed to find my spot. There was a couple of other photographers, one's moved on, one just behind me, I don't think it's him. I've got 3 or 4 shots already just sitting here. I'm going to move in a minute, a bit further down, if I turn you around. I'm going to move a bit further down to see like the wall break, the sea break. Get some shots there. Looking straight at the back of the huts. But it's a nice day. So I'm shooting 90 seconds, f20 and ISO 64, but the sun's just come out, so I think this is going to be blown out. It was covered by a rain cloud. A lot of people around. Got to get used to vlogging, it, yeah. People around. I haven't set the Z6 III up yet to film anything. Nice sunny day, bit of a breeze. It's good to be out. But I'm going to move in a minute and I will come back to you. I just thought I'd give you a quick catch up. I've been here for about half an hour now. Just taking variations of the same composition. 90 minutes, 90 seconds is going to be too long. So it comes out. 16 seconds left. Five. It's going to be blown on ice. It's definitely overexposed, but I could probably do something with it. What I think I need to do, go back to 60 seconds. Because that is a different composition, that one. And I've done 2 at 90 and they're blown. What I might do, put you down there for a second. Sorry that's right into the sun. Ooh, nearly dropped it. Back while I wait for that, I'll turn you around. It's a beautiful day. Definitely glad I came out. Let's put it back down for a sec. Hiya. No, just doing long exposure so it flattens out the sea. So camera's open for like 60 seconds and that's why we've got filters on the front. You can have the camera like open longer than.
You're not taking photos of anything?
The huts.
Just the huts?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Is that a commercial?
No. No, I don't make money at photography. I wish I did. Give up my job. That's every photographer's dream, that. Right, even 60 seconds is blown. The sun is right on top of us. I'm doing 30 now. See how that goes. I've got my 24 to 120 lens on. I did have started off with a wide angle. But it's too wide. So that goes up to, that's 24 to, that's 14 to 30. And I'm now shooting at about 38. Oh, here we go. Yeah, 30 seconds when the sun's better. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move. And I will catch up with you in a bit. Okay, toodle, bye. Hiya, welcome back. Right, tide's gone out now. I'll turn you round. Tide's out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get the drone up, and then I'm going to go down and get some like facing the back of the huts. Just get 3 like that. I've got plenty from where I am now. Look, you can see my camera. I've got plenty from that sort of competition, which is what I came down here for. So I'm just going to take my drone up. So I'm going to take my drone up, get some drone footage, and then go down onto the foreshore, get some pictures there, and then that'll be me. But I will catch up with you in a little bit.
Home point updated. Home point updated.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from away from away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you're my home away from away from being alone. I don't wanna stay with you just to have to leave. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I don't wanna say goodbye, I have just arrived. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I hope to make you my own before the train ride home. I hope to make you my own before the train ride home.
Right, hello. Well, I'm back in the van now.
Make you my own.
Yeah, I didn't manage to get looking at the back 3 of the huts directly from behind because the tide went out too quick. So it was just all the I could have probably messed about with it if I'd taken a picture or two in Photoshop and put the water in the foreground, but to be honest, I've got some drone footage. I got the drone footage, and what I should have done was gone down and got the other pictures, but I'm not bothered. I've got the pictures I came here for, which was on the left hand side looking down at the huts. That was a specific picture I wanted. I'm gonna come back. I will come back because there's plenty of obviously compositions here, and I want to get from behind as well the pictures at the back of the huts. So yeah, I'm done. I'm going to head home. I've had a good day. I was talking to 2 other photographers. That sort of interrupted the vlogging, I suppose, a little bit. I did vlog in front of one of them, but the one that I was talking to the most was sitting quite close to me, so I didn't vlog. I was talking to him. 2 reasons. A little bit self-conscious, I suppose, and also being rude vlogging while he was talking to me. But yeah, so I've had a good day. It's really sunny now, so I'm going to head home. And it's bank holiday weekend. I'm on call. No plans to go out anywhere. I'll probably go somewhere local if it's quiet, hopefully. Touch wood. Touch wood. There's a bit of wood on there, yeah. Touch wood. Here we go. Yeah. Just disappointed. That's another story, the call out for the bank holiday weekend. I'm really not impressed that I'm on call. I think I was stitched up a little bit, but I've got no proof. Anyway, it's another story. I won't bore you with that. So I'm going to head home. I probably won't do. This is my outro. Thanks for watching. Probably only a short one this week. I'll put the pictures up if I've not put them up already. And hopefully I will see you somewhere next week. Until then, people, take care, be safe, and I will speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.